Hi, time for checking my Project Next Draft Edition review. In this Project Next review, we are going to look at what is inside the training, pricing, what people are saying about the Project Next, and how you can sign up at affordable price. So first of all, what is Project Next Draft Edition? Next Draft Edition helps you to gain the unfair advantage to confidently launch your first or next course, coaching program, workshop, or mastermind. So what is inside the Project Next edition? Everything you will get with Project Next are immersion. The immersion is what is a complete training of a next drive course which can access immediately. Then the second module is repetition, 6 weeks of live group coaching with them. Then the next module is mastery, preferred ticket to the virtual 3 days live interactive and immersive World Summit. Then the next module is implementation, 3 months free of the brand new Mastermind platform. Then the next one is community. You get access to the greatest private group on the planet because it's priceless. So let's also look at a few of the bonuses you will get when you join today. The 12th edition only bonuses. The expert corner, which is priceless. Inner circle success library, which worth 1974. Then what is cost today? The price of the 12th edition today is 997. So after that, let's look at the money back guarantee. So is there any money back guarantee? Yes. They have confidence in this project. That is why they are offering you 100% money back guarantee. So in case you subscribe to the training and after you are not satisfied after 30 days, then you can request your refund for your money, and without any question, they refund you. So what people are saying about Project Next. Let's look at what people are saying about Project Next 12th edition. Real people with real results. As you can see from the screen here, it has 5.0 star out of 5. Rating out of from 183 review. It got what 5.0. And what people are saying, according to Elizabeth Jones, I remember when I started Project Next, I was lost in the industry and now I am making sales every month and it has changed my life, my family life forever. That is the testimony from Elizabeth Jones. Then another one here says, I did it. After completing Project Next, I worked so hard on my course and it's officially live and I'm ready to help people. So Project Next help people to impact the life of people positively. So let's look at the summary of what you will get when you subscribe to the Project Next. Let's look at the summary of what you will get when you subscribe to the Project Next. So this is virtually a life-changing opportunity that can get you off the sideline in this game. So the summary of what you get is immersion, which is the Project Next 2022 Drive course. It's worth 5,000 USD. Then 6 weeks of live group coaching with Dean. It worth 3,997. The implementation 3 months free on the mastermind.com platform. It worth $141. The mastery World Summit virtual live event ticket. The 3 interactive and life changing days worth 597. Then other bonuses we are going to get when you join the 12th edition Project Next 12th edition today is Mastermind private community, which is priceless. As you can see here, it's priceless. Then plus get this is same bonus when you join today. This bonus package is for 2022 draft experience only and will never be offered for free again. So if you miss it today, you may not get that, may not able to get these bonuses. So make sure you take action today. The other bonuses are the brand new expert corner. As you can see here, the brand new expert corner. Then the next one is inner circle success library. Then marketing mastery from one of the Genius Marketing, Braden Burchard. Then 10x sales masterclass from Bruson. Then Farah Funnel from Rachel Miller. These are the bonus you get when you take action today. These are amazing bonus that worth more than what you are going to pay for Project Next Drive Edition. So what are the pillars that help you to create results in this knowledge industry? Project Next Drive Edition has 4 pillars that can help you to create results in this knowledge industry. 1. Immersion, 2. Repetition, 3. Implementation, and 4. Mastery. So these are the 4 pillars of this training. So let's also look at what are the niches that work with this Project Next Edition. What are the niches? What are niches of market where you can implement Project Next Drive Edition? So here are the example of other members Project Next. We have vegetable gardening, life coaching, marketing consultant, yoga and stretching, drawing 101, simple application creation, tumor coaching, dating over 35, learn to sing better, how to dish your debt, running a home baking. So there are a lot of niches or market that you can jump to while you join this program. So how much is it going to cost you today? The Project Next Drive Edition will cost you 997 today. When you join today, you are going to pay 997. It's only one payment, then you will join the training for life. So there's no upfront payments. There's no additional cost when you join today. So what makes the 2022 Project Next experience television different? So never before they have shared much in one program. So including brand new expert corner with never before seen training from industry leaders like Alex, Amos, Barry, and more. So they have refined this program to be most powerful offer ever. So you can go from an idea to selling what you know faster than ever before. So make sure you take action today to get all the bonuses that they promise you. So don't allow today's was to pass you by without getting this training. So it only costs 997 USD today. So in case you want to join, then make sure you click the link below. Just check the link in the video description here. Then when you click it, then to go to open to this page. Then when you open to this page, you can scroll down to read more about the Project Next Draft Edition. Then click here to enroll in the incredible Project Next experience. So when you click this red, then it's going to take you to where you are going to work, to put your details here. So it's going to this side where you are going to input your contact, then the shipping address, then payment information, then click complete my order. As you can see from this page now, join now at most affordable price ever. 35K people have invested 2K to learn this system, so you can get it today for less than half part. So Project Next is $997. So when you input your contact here, shipping address and payment information, just click complete my order. So it's very simple to join. So at the same time, pay in full today and save 1113 plus receive access to a secret and rarely seen interview with Tony and Dean. Over 70% of their action taker choose this option. So alternatively, you can pay three payment instrumentally for 3 months. So the first payment will be $370. Then the next month, then you pay another $370. Then in the third month, you pay another $370. But to be in the safer side, you can save at least $113 today while you pay in full. So just only to pay $997. then you get access to what, to the training and bonus. So to join the Project Next Draft edition, then make sure you click the link below in the description of this video. That go to open to take you to this page where you can input your contact, your shipping address, and your payment information. Then click complete my order. I hope this Project Next Draft edition review help you. In case you have any question, please you can comment below this video. Wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching.